Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Tuesday, March 31st, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. We've been in a sell signal, a mid to longer term sell signal for the last 6 weeks or so, when we settled that about 6 weeks ago below the 428.22 formation, expecting as an objective the 333.59 extreme rising channel bottom. Now we are below 356.54, but it's pretty close. 355.28, the settlement roughly on Monday, and so we can go either way here. But this is also the violation of 356.54 considered an eventuality. We'd mentioned how 356.54 may contain weekly selling pressures, but if settled below, and we have 333.59 in reach within the week, and you can see the distance is like nothing. So if we continue closing below 356.54 on a day-by-day basis this week, we can reach 333.59 over the next 3 to 5 days or less. 333.59 is a significant channel bottom, able to contain selling through April, through the second quarter, and even perhaps into later year. We can round up from here nicely over the months to follow. Closing the week Friday below 333.59 by a 1% margin. So a Friday settlement of 330.25 or lower does set off yet another significant sell signal, this one likely within 3 to 5 months or less to test 224.16. So closing at 330.25 or lower on Friday, we've got a significant sell signal into the 220s that should play out over the following 3, possibly 5 months. Until then, that is bottom picking territory. We could take a look at this chart. We also, if we happen to open below 356.54, we can test quite easily today 344.88, a rising 2/3 speed line off that April 25 low. That could be it for the day. And so this is kind of a day trade setup. If we close today below 344.48, expect a test probably tomorrow of 333.59. That channel bottom, once again, is an area where you can reel in any short positions you may have established over the last 6 weeks or less and actually reverse and go long, not only into later week, but also through April and perhaps the rest of the year. From here, we can rebound within a couple of months back into the 420s and climbing, and quite possibly even higher as we continue into later year. Let's take a look at the upside. We've got 371.87 as a gap filling upward pivot point. That gap is Thursday's low. If we can close today above 371.87, which does not look likely, but it is in reach if we open above 356.54. We could actually test it today. And if we close above 371.87, within 2 or 3 days, expect 393.02. This channel top can contain weekly buying pressures, and we can fall back into the mid 350s again within a couple of weeks. I would call this our 1 to 2 week swing trade, 356.54 up to 393.02. Once again, though,
if you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVDA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.
If we do close today below 356.54, you can expect long-term support, possibly this week at 333.59, where we could bottom out, as I say, through April and even through the rest of the year, perhaps. I'm going to take us back to this chart, that if over the next week or so we settle above 393.02, we probably have a good April low. We roll to April tomorrow, and if we close above 393.02 over the next 3 to 5 days, 428.22 likely within a week or two. So don't get caught short. If you're a 1 to 2, 2 to 3 week swing trader, don't get caught short with a settlement above 393.02. We're likely to have a significant short cover rally into the 420s, 428.22. So that would present a solid buy opportunity. If settled above 393.02, a solid buy opportunity well into April trade, expecting within 2 or 3 weeks that 428.22 formation where profits can be taken on a long position that may have been established above 393.02. And in fact, you may actually play the short side at 428.22 and climbing weekly, because from here we can fall back to this longer term channel at 333.59 and climbing within a couple of months of doing so. I think that pretty much rounds it out. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 14-day free trial. We offer daily NVDA analysis, daily SPY, daily triple Q. Do we have the triple Q in here as a I don't show it, but it set off a significant sell signal last week. The SPY set off the significant one as well 2 weeks ago. So we are in a sell-off mode, a correction mode on the broader stock market. You can check out those targets that we have outlined by taking advantage of that 14-day free trial. I will be back tomorrow, of course, with Wednesday's Tesla report, and you have a great day.